How to find Gmail profile picture settings on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find Gmail profile picture settings on Android phone. First, then open Gmail, and now just click on your profile here in the top corner, and then just click this one, Google account, and then click personal info, and scroll down. Here we'll find it. Here we'll find your profile photo. Just click on it and then click set, uh, and then just click set profile photo. Now just click this one, choose photo, and now you can select your gallery and select any photo you want, and that's it. That's how to find the profile picture, Gmail profile picture settings on Android phone. And that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.